A personal chatbot should not be a random AI wrapper with your name on it. A useful personal assistant needs 3 things: private knowledge, clear memory rules, and tools that actually save time. In this video, we build the workflow without repeating the full Ollama, LM Studio, or RAG setup videos already on the channel. Start with scope. What should this assistant know? Project notes, personal checklists, meeting summaries, draft templates, your preferred writing rules. Do not throw your entire digital life into memory. More data is not always better. The assistant should know the minimum needed to help with repeatable tasks. Use the local setup you already have. Ollama can run the local model server. LM Studio can expose an OpenAI-compatible local endpoint. If you have not set those up yet, watch the setup videos on the channel first. Also remember, localhost is the default, not a law. If your server uses a different host or port, use your own value. For private knowledge, use the RAG pattern. Split files into chunks. Create embeddings. Store them locally. Retrieve the best chunks when you ask a question. Then ask the model to answer from that context and cite the source file. This is what keeps a personal assistant grounded instead of confidently guessing about your notes. Memory needs rules. Do not store passwords. Do not store sensitive identity numbers. Do not store private health or financial details unless you have a serious reason and a secure design. Add a deletion rule. Add a review rule. Personal AI becomes risky when it remembers everything forever without your control. The assistant becomes useful when it can do small actions. Search notes, summarize a document, draft an email, create a checklist, turn a meeting note into a project plan. Keep the tools small and explicit. Do not start with full computer control. Start with repeatable actions where mistakes are easy to review. Add a response style. Answer directly. Use my notes when relevant. Cite the source file. Ask only when blocked. End with the next action. This is the part that makes the assistant feel personal without pretending it has a personality. It should adapt to your workflow, not perform a character. Test with real tasks. Find a note. Summarize a folder. Draft a follow-up email. Make a checklist from INSOP. Ask something the files do not contain and make sure it says it does not know. If the assistant sounds smart but saves no time, rebuild the workflow. To recap, build a private personal AI assistant as a workflow, not a chat box. Define scope, use your local model setup, add local retrieval, set memory rules, add small tools, and test with real work. Personal AI is useful when it is grounded, private, and action-focused.